Who owns the world's most costly home? Where in the United States is the most costly home? What amenities are considered typical these days? From garages that can house double-digit numbers of automobiles to regulation-sized basketball courts and multiple swimming pools? These questions are commonly asked when talking about insane houses of the richest people in the world. On the contrary, there are some wealthy people who prefer to be different by staying in a small house, one of which is Elon Musk. Today, we'll take a look at Elon Musk's insane tiny $50,000 house for sustainable living. But before anything else, make sure to subscribe to Luxe Luxury channel and hit the notification bell to be updated for more videos like this one. Now let's get started! Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is the richest person on the planet. As of February 28, 2022, he has a total net worth of $223 billion. The 50-year-old is the first person in the world to have a net worth of this amount, not to mention his accomplishment in 2021 following an unstoppable run in Tesla shares on the US stock market. Specifically, Musk asked his Twitter audience on November 6, 2021, whether he should sell 10% of his Tesla stock, presenting the matter as a response to criticism of unrealized capital gains as a way to dodge taxes. Over the course of the rest of 2021, he sold shares worth $16.4 billion. Given this record and achievement, you may ask, how much can Elon Musk's net worth buy? Well, to tell you frankly, if there had been a global auction for countries, Musk could have easily purchased dozens of them and still be worth billions. Musk's overall net worth is higher than the GDP of roughly 100 of the world's poorest countries. Moreover, Musk's fortune might enable him to acquire every major professional sports team in the United States and Canada, including Major League Baseball, MLS, the National Baseball Association, NBA, the National Football League, NFL, and the National Hockey League, NHL, among other things. According to reports, the combined value of these top four sports leagues is $260 billion. Musk would still be left with $75 billion. Insane, right? Okay, moving on to the ultimate topic. What is this tiny house of Elon Musk all about? Will he become sad if he lives in a small home knowing how he can afford to stay in a mansion? Well, that is not the case because Musk would obviously love to live there as the house's design is so skilled. So who built and designed Musk's Tesla home? Musk is now living in a 400 square foot studio apartment. Boxable, a construction business that specializes in easy-to-build housing modules, designed his home. The cost of a house built through the usage of boxes will begin at $50,000. All residences, landscaping, permits, the utility hookup expenditures are not included in the total. They aren't exactly lavish, but Musk has the financial means to fill the blanks by design. Now let's go inside the tiny house and see what it may offer. The interior is separated into 4 sections: a full-sized kitchen with a wraparound breakfast bar, a comfortable lounge, a pleasant bedroom zone, and a beautiful streamlined bathroom. The soaring 9-foot-high ceilings and swaths of windows that allow natural light to sweep in emphasize the airy open flow of the living rooms. LED strip lights, strategically placed, provide task lighting in the key functional spaces while lowering household expenditures. In addition, a clever room divider separates the parlor from the bedroom space, which includes a warm electric fireplace built into the wall. It also has a large fridge, an oven, a microwave, a double sink, and a dishwasher. But some tiny home kitchens have scaled-down appliances and have minimal counter space. Crockery and glassware are stored in white shaker cabinetry and glass-fronted display cases. There is, of course, a bedroom. The bedroom zone has plenty of room. The TV screen atop the partition can be adjusted depending on whether you're watching from the sofa or in bed for a movie marathon. Furthermore, the bathroom is hidden behind a glass barn door, and despite its small size, it packs a punch with everything from a wide vanity counter to a deep bathtub or shower, depending on the resident's preferences. Isn't it crazy how all these can fit in a tiny house? Nevertheless, there is one aspect that makes the tiny house even more magnificent. It's a feature of sustainability. In fact, it features a 2 kW photovoltaic system on the roof with 6 solar panels that is linked to a $5,500 Powerwall, a lithium-ion battery pack that can store energy for later use. Furthermore, the sun powers all of the lights and electronics, and everything can be controlled and monitored via Tesla app. The house is also manufactured from locally and sustainably sourced lumber, weighs 2 tons or 4,000 pounds, and can be pulled by the Model X, which has a 5,000-pound towing capacity. Despite all these features, you may still be wondering why Elon Musk chose to live in a little house. Musk, unlike the majority of the world's billionaires, does not possess fancy yachts or multi-million-dollar houses. For years, Musk has been attempting to live this way. It's hardly unexpected that, despite his repeated assurances, he's downsized his residence. As a side note, we all know that Musk banned Bitcoin payments for Tesla automobiles due to environmental concerns, as he considers sustainability to be a basic value at Tesla. It's understandable that he chose to live in a little space. Well, there you have it. Rich information about Elon Musk's insane tiny $50,000 house for sustainable living. What do you think about this house? If you have the same net worth as Elon Musk, would you prefer to live here? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. That's it! I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel for more luxurious videos. This is the Luxe Luxury channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.